We'll guide you through how to use nodes in DaVinci Resolve to enhance your video editing skills. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the Color tab, where all the magic happens with nodes. You'll see a node graph, which might look a bit complex, but it's actually quite intuitive once you get the hang of it. Nodes are like layers in Photoshop, but for video. They allow you to apply different effects and corrections in a non-destructive way. To start, you'll notice a single node connected to your footage, labeled as Node 1. This is your starting point. Now, if you want to add another node, right-click on Node 1 and select Add Node, then choose Corrector. And this will create a new node linked to the first one. You can use this second node to apply a separate color correction or effect without affecting your initial adjustments. For instance, you could use the first node to correct the exposure, and the second one to adjust the color balance. To connect nodes, simply click and drag from the output of one node to the input of another, creating a flow of effects. If you want to organize your workflow, you can use compound nodes to group several nodes together. Just select the nodes you want to group, right-click, and select Create Compound Node. This keeps your node graph tidy and manageable. If you wish to compare different looks, you can use parallel nodes. Right-click on the node, choose Add Node, and then select Parallel. This allows you to create multiple branches of effects that run simultaneously, giving you the flexibility to toggle between different styles easily. Remember, each node represents a step in your color grading process, and you can bypass any node by selecting it and hitting Ctrl+D to see the before and after effect instantly. Nodes give you incredible control over your image, so take your time experimenting with different combinations to achieve the perfect look. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.